Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the access point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here's a fully tested unit ready to go to Jenks, Oklahoma tomorrow. And this is going to be shipped out tomorrow, and it has all the fine features, just like on the previous film. We put our guard on here. In the previous one, we didn't have the guard because we were in the process of finishing it. And just a beautiful machine. What can I say? You know, you can get high pressure on this. You could well surpass the competition because these coils are 3,500 pounds pressure rated. It can give you a full swing of working pressures from the real low 300 range if you're doing upholstery to the high range of 2,000, 2,500 psi plus. And it's got the versatility that you need. And we build this smaller compact series. This customer wanted the gray to match his theme color for his company. We tailor make all our colors to fit whatever company theme you have, to help you out in the business and to promote your business and help give it the splash that it needs. So gray is what he wanted, and guy in California is going to get this very soon. This will be done in a matter of a week. And got the blower on already, but we're going to start pulling everything together. And this unit here is 3120056. And everything is just nicely put together. And as you can see, the back of it, with the all stainless header, solid header. And everything's flex pipe, all stainless, beautifully laid out, easy to operate, easy to change out belts. We've got belt tensioners and guides, and then we have pullbacks. We've got a drain hose for your water pump, pressure pump for the oil, and we got the same on this side for the engine. We have convenience outlets for about the pump out and demand pumps. So you can have these two running at the same time. They're separately fused. And it's just everything is here. You've got a beautiful silencer down here that acoustically dampens so you can work in noise-sensitive areas of your community, or whether it be commercially or residentially. This is a nice, smooth-running machine run by a 27-horse Kohler, air-cooled. And we spent a lot of time doing things right with our specialty headers that we build in our shop. We have a water box, and we have all stainless braided hoses, full instrument panel, as you can see, with a tachometer for engine speed, and a bonus hour meter. This is on our end tack, and that's an hour meter. And we have our aviator throttle, so you can get fine-tuned RPMs by adjustment, and you have a lock here. So this is a really sturdy, they put these on aircraft. So Blue Baron goes all out to build the best truck mounts in the industry, user-friendly panels. Everything is here, thermostatic control at the bottom. We've got bypass to keep water circulating through the system. This is always cracked open to allow non-stagnation of temperatures and real-time temperatures, so that you can pretty much get a good regulation. And so everything is here. It's just a beautiful machine. Our access point heat exchangers have been out for 15 years, bailed out a lot of people with situations where they might have been having to spend a lot of money on a truck mount, and we've saved their wallets by giving them a heater. Because if all that is just a heater that separates between you spending a lot of money, we're more than happy to supply you with whatever size heat exchanger. Well, basically it's this 18 inches, but if you need different size fittings to fit your particular header or engine size for your truck mount, we're a tailored service that does custom building. And all our frames, of course, are quarter plate. Nobody else does that in the industry. They're all powder coated, well laid out, bar stock fittings, not that cheap cast fitting, but high quality, high pressured fittings, heavy duty, and we have a relief capability for your heat exchanger as well as the bypass. Everything is virtually walk away and do your job. And then even when you're moving furniture or doing a little bit of PR with your customer, you don't have to worry about this unit overheating, because we have a really good regulation and security as far as the getting the water to circulate through the system back into your water box. We have thermal control on that water box so as to not overheat your AR pump. These AR pumps are great. They're well built. They can withstand a lot of heat. We're very proud of what we have here for that. And as far as the last step injection, that's second to none. That does really good as far as keeping the chemical out of your heater and out of your internal hoses. Basically, it goes through the high pressured side, comes in on this side, goes out through the high pressured side, goes to a three-way decision valve. And when this thing is pointing up, it's pointing to your acrylic flow meter in your metering mode. But when they put it downward, that's going into your prime, and it basically starts the marker to go up and starts circulating your detergent out from your bucket in through that and out through your pulse pump. So it's a really easy. We have very easy instructions. It's real easy. We got a lot of demos on Mr. Blue Baron 1 on our video YouTube page. So you go in there and check out our videos. And we're always here on weekends as well. So if you ever have any questions, we're here to help. We've got a lot of second-time buyers for the Blue Baron. We've had people that had, one particular person had a 45 SC for several years and added another one to his fleet. We had another person that had bought an old Blue Baron that I think it might have been 13, 14 years old, maybe even 15 years old. And after using it for a short while, he decided to buy a brand new one. So that says a lot. You know, when somebody will buy an old Blue Baron and then turn around and buy a new one. Or it's someone that just buys a second one after having one for a few years, keeps the other one and maintains and basically adds to his fleet. All our parts, OEM parts, are proprietary, but they're built within the factory, and we keep the same heat exchanger throughout all the years. So you're not going to end up with a problem like ProChem did where they discontinued their heat exchangers. We keep our heat exchangers, same OEM parts, same header, same everything. For every model that we have 7 models from the Aviator up to the 47XL. So we're not going to change parts. We're here to stay. I've been 41 years in the industry and 15 years building. And we're here to provide you with the best tools and equipment in the industry to help you make your money and trouble-free. And one thing I wanted to say is all our vacuum systems are flow-free. Okay, there's nothing obstructing. Typically, a manufacturer will put a device, a heating element device, on the discharge part of it, which will impede the airflow and thus equates to 4 cubic feet a minute of airflow, which affects the inches of pull on your vacuum system and leaves you with wet carpets. So our systems are quick dry. Customers will rate your performance based on cleanliness and dry time. So if you got the heat, you're not in defeat, and if you've got the vacuum, then you've got everything combined to have a winning combination for a commercial effect. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Visit us on our 24/7 website, truckmountstore.com. Call us anytime. We're open on Saturdays, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.